This is Nisha from Kerr Design Studio, and I just wanted to let you know I'm going to be working on putting together a bunch of different videos that are going to talk about ways that you can improve the quality of your life. So I'm going to start off with a series about how you can improve your life with smaller items, such as like new furniture layouts, maybe some greenery, artwork, blinds, furniture, smaller things that you can take on as an individual, along with the help of a designer if you choose. So furniture arrangements are super important. So what do we not want to do? Let's not walk into the back of a sofa. I would rather you have a beautiful sculptural chair. That's something that you can look at that would create better flow to walk around, instead of the back of a sofa. The next thing that you can look at is using something like a bench or some small ottomans that will increase your sight lines and as well become really functional pieces that you can move around. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is to define the focal point in your space, which is normally a television and a fireplace, and we try not to put the TV over the fireplace. It's just an unattractive way to set it up. If we can avoid it, we will. What you can do is you can try to hide the television, disguise it in a darker wall or in a textured wall or with a gallery wall of art around it. That's a really great tip. Also, if you try to put the TV inside an armoire, that's another awesome way to hide the TV.